Last time on Ron Sailing, we did an overnight sail from Kodiak Island to Seward on mainland Alaska.
Line. So we just left the Seward Marina. We fueled up a bit, 20 gallons, and now we're heading for Prince William Sound. So we have 50 miles to go today. It's probably going to be calm, but that's how it is up here. Tomorrow there's a big low moving in with high winds from the east, so that's why we had to get going now. So this evening we'll anchor in, there's 2 anchorages. We haven't really decided which one we're going to pick yet. The visibility today is so maybe a mile. There's some drizzling rain, not fog really, but yeah, not very nice weather. I hope it will burn off during the day, become sunny again. But yeah, it's been a really nice day in Seward. It's a nice little town, nice surroundings. But now we're looking forward to Prince William Sound. It's going to be really interesting.
Resurrection Bay is 15 nautical miles deep, so it took us a couple of hours until we reached the open ocean.
We have left the fjord leading up to Seward, and now we're out in the open ocean again, and it's absolutely fantastic here. These mountains and the caves here. There's some tunnels leading through the mountains, or these outcrops from the mountains. It's really fantastic. A lot of fishing boats out here. Seems to be a popular spot for sport fishing boats. Cleared up a little, and the wind has dropped to nearly zero now. What do you think?
Beautiful. Really cool place. It's incredible all the noise they make. Just a constant, and you see all the bird poop and guano on the rocks. So now we're changing course, and we can keep a direct course, the closest course as possible, for 20 miles. And will take us 4 hours. Oh, did you hear that?
No, it's the waves.
Yeah, the waves smash into the rocks. So we're gonna go close. We're gonna go pretty close to the coast. So I hope we get some nice views. It's full of glaciers here. One glacier there, another one there, there, there. Then I think we have another 20 miles and we're gonna anchor up here, which is right in the beginning of Prince William Sound. It's a huge sound, as you can see. It might not look as big here on the chart, but just from here across to the other side is 70 or 65 miles. So for us that would take like 13 hours. So it's big, full of islands, full of coves, bays, and of course glaciers. So it's a pretty remote area, so there's not a lot of cruisers here. There are a couple of local boats. There are a few towns around the sound, and they have harbors. So yeah, a few local ones, but they most of them have motor boats. We don't have a cruising guide for this area, but yeah, it's pretty easy to. I mean, it's so easy. You can just see like, okay, this is good shelter, and this is another good shelter, and then I read up on some blogs and find some information online, and also heard recommendations from people living here or that's been here before. So I have pointed out a couple of markers, like anchorage markers, where we're thinking to anchor. And yeah, we're gonna go and check out a couple of the glaciers. So wow, I'm really looking forward to it.
See the face?
The eyes to the side there is like in his profile, and then the lips looking like this. So it's Johan's hot chocolate with
Yes.
extra everything.
It's yeah, hot chocolate, marshmallows, and whipped cream.
Oh, a real sugar bomb.
To starboard.
Wow, that's a big one. That's really big. So yeah, this area is known to have a lot of trees and logs in the water. So you have to take care of that and be aware of be aware of what's in front of the boat, because you don't want to hit one of those that we just passed. If you wouldn't have changed course, I think we would have been fine, but it would have been maybe touched the side of the boat. Yeah. And of course, during night, it's very hard. You can't see anything, so then you just have to wish for the best.
Yeah, but the nights are pretty short up here.
Yeah.
And not very dark.
That's a good thing. Yeah. It's maybe 4 hours of dark.
We're just about to enter Prince William Sound, and we have about 10 miles to go to the anchorage where we're going today, Hog Bay have we decided to go to. We saw an orca passing by. I didn't get it good on video, but I saw them earlier too. There was like 10 of them, but pretty far away. But this one came pretty close, just by the boat. We're pretty shy compared to dolphins. What do you say, Malin?
Huh?
We're pretty shy, orcas.
They were a little bit shy, but beautiful. First time seeing orcas. Hope to see more of them. I think we will.
I hope so.
Yeah. We first thought that these were baby orcas, but they are called Dahl's porpoises. Over there is Bainbridge Glacier. I think we'll go and check it out up close tomorrow. So cool, you can see the real blue ice, which is the oldest ice. You want to go first in the shower?
Yeah, I like to have a shower. A hot shower.
It was a couple of days now since we had a shower. And now, when we've been motoring, we have hot water. So then it's shower time. Hot shower, yeah, it's gonna be nice.
Yes, sure.
So now it's 6 p.m. I think we're there. We are inside the bay now, heading to the anchorage. I think we're there in
20 minutes.
20 minutes, yeah.
Yeah.
And I think our friends Nomad are there as well. We'll see. We got an email from them earlier on the satellite phone that they were going here today, so we'll see. But it was a good day.
Yeah, it's been a super day. We've seen so much. Orcas. Yeah, what else? Orcas and...
Small orcas, big orcas.
yeah. And whales in the distance.
You did?
Yeah,
You saw
this
that.
morning, but
Okay.
far away. And yeah, a lot of birds. Yeah.
So long day at sea. Everything is big up here.
Yeah.
Doesn't look very big on the charts, but all of this there, it's far away to everything.
Yeah.
The distances are big, so.
Peaceful place. Really nice. Seems to be good holding. I think it's mud here. Not so deep, like 4 meters. So that's good. There's a lot of eagles around here. I think there's like 5 or 6 of them just over there, together with a lot of other birds. I think I don't know if they're waiting for the salmon. Wow, some of them are really big.
Eating fish, I guess. Now we just wait for the bears. And just as we had wished, a black bear came out. It was looking for food on the beach. The salmon, which is the bear's main food source, was very late this summer. So at low tide, the bears come down to the beach to look for something eatable. Now we're about to leave Hog Bay. We spent the day just working and fixing things on the boat, and it's about 2 p.m. now, and we will head out and we will go across the bay out there to watch the glacier and then wait for the tides to go through the Bainbridge passage. So you want to go when it's slack or the tide with you through the passage. It's not that long, it's around 6 miles or something. And then our plan is to go to a bay called Otter Bay. Yeah, this is a beautiful place. We haven't been ashore, but we saw a bear this morning, so we let the bears have their space. And yeah, I'm gonna help you on to hoist anchor. Wow!
Pretty big stuff, huh?
It's like a big sheet or something.
Yeah. Alright. There's a lot of kelp here. But yeah. Now we're ready to go.
I love the color of green that is here in this nature. It's so beautiful.
Oh, there he is again.
There he is.
So the water just changed color quite drastically. There's a line you can see all the way here. It looked like it went up the bottom, so it's just like it should be really shallow here, but it's over 100 meters. So I guess it's the runoff from the glacier over here that's coloring the water.
Ice lake. It's so cool. Look at that blue ice.
Thank you so much for watching. Please share, like and subscribe. We really appreciate that. Make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram for real-time updates. See you next week.